Can't reach it. Okay, what are they saying?
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a tornado warning for northeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:09 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 6 miles southeast of Rama, or 24 miles southwest of Lyman, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. And vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly the rural areas of northeastern El Paso County. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.